Okay. So students, here we learn about the states of matter chapter in first year chemistry. So in previously we have to learn the gas laws, that is the Boyle's law, Charles law and Avogadro's law. So by using that gas laws, we can derive the ideal gas equation, that is the PV is equals to nRT. And also we have to learn the kinetic molecular theory and Graham's law and Dalton's law of partial pressure. So now here we have to discuss about the deduction of gas laws from kinetic gas equation. Okay students, our topic is the deduction, mean derivation of gas laws from kinetic gas equation. How we can derive how we can deduction the gas laws from kinetic gas equation. Let us see. So kinetic gas equation, what is that? Kinetic gas equation. Already we have to know kinetic gas equation is PV is equals to 1 by 3 mNu square. So this is our kinetic gas equation. So from this kinetic gas equation, here we can derive the Boyle's law. Okay students, so Boyle's law, already we have to learn the Boyle's law. What is the mean by the Boyle's law? At constant temperature, the volume is inversely proportional to the pressure of the gas. Simply that is called as a Boyle's law. Here that V is proportional to 1 by P. V is proportional to 1 by P at constant temperature. At a constant temperature, V is proportional to 1 by P. Okay, simply that is called as a Boyle's law. So that equation can be derived from this kinetic gas equation. Okay, so kinetic gas equation is PV is equals to 1 by 3 mNu square. By using this PV is equals to 1 by 3 mNu square, we can derive the Boyle's law, that is the V is proportional to 1 by P. How we can derive? Let us see. So PV is equals to 1 by 3 mNu square. This is the kinetic gas equation. Here this kinetic gas equation can be changed as PV is equals to, here this 1 by 3 can be written as 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. When this 2 get cancelled, remaining is the 1 by 3 will be same. So 1 by 3 can be written as 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 mNu square. Okay students, PV is equals to 1 by 3 mNu square can be changes as PV is equals to 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 mNu square. Let us, this is the equation 1. And already we have to know the kinetic energy equation, that is the Ke is equals to half mv square. Already we have to know this is the kinetic energy equation of K is equals to half mv square. So here in place of v velocity, we using the RMS velocity u. So then this equation is changes as K is equals to half mu square. So for n moles kinetic energy equation, K is equals to half mNu square. Okay students, for n moles kinetic energy equation, K is equals to half mNu square. Let us, this is the equation 2. So in equation 1, half mNu square will be present. In equation 2, half mNu square value is also present. So this equation 2 is substituted in the equation 1. That's what here we will do. Equation 2 is substituted in the equation 1. So equation 1, PV is equals to 2 by 3 into half mNu square. Half mNu square. In place of half mNu square, we should substitute the kinetic energy K into E. Then PV is equals to 2 by 3 into KE. Okay students. So the equation 1 is changes as PV is equals to 2 by 3 into KE. So already we have to learn from kinetic molecular theory postulates. The average kinetic energy of gas molecules is directly proportional to absolute temperature. So kinetic energy is directly proportional to absolute temperature. It can be obtained from kinetic molecular theory. So from kinetic molecular theory, the kinetic energy is directly proportional to the absolute temperature T. So already we have to know when we are remove the proportionality, then we get the constant. So Ke is equals to constant K into T. So Ke is equals to constant K into T. Means from kinetic molecular theory, the Ke value will be equals to the K into T, where the K is the constant. So this Ke value, let us, this is the equation 3, this is the equation 4. So this Ke value is substituted in the equation 3. That means equation 4 is substituted in the equation 3. Okay students, equation 4 is substituted in the equation 3. Then the equation 3 is changes as PV is equals to 2 by 3. In place of Ke, here what? We will substitute K into T. That is from equation 4. So, PV is equals to 2 by 3 into K into T. Then from this equation, V is equals to, on simplification, 2 by 3 K into T. This P is goes to the denominator. So, 1 by P. Let at constant temperature, here we can assume temperature will be constant. So let at constant temperature, that means temperature will be constant, then the equation V is equals to 2 by 3 into K into T into 1 by P. Here we put the temperature is the constant, then temperature is constant, K value is also constant, the number, numerical number 2 by 3, this is also constant. So all these values are the constant values. All that values are the constant values. Then this equation is changes as V is equals to constant into 1 by P. V is equals to constant into 1 by P. So when we are remove the constant, then we are get the proportionality. So V is proportional 1 by P. That means value is inversely proportional to the pressure. This is the our Boyle's law. Okay students, V is proportional to 1 by P. This is the Boyle's law. So this Boyle's law can be derived from by using the, what is that? Kinetic gas equation. By using kinetic gas equation, PV is equals to 1 by 3 mn u square. Finally, we can derive the Boyle's law, that is the V is proportional to 1 by P. So this is the simple derivation part. Then same way, we can derive the Charles law. Before that, we have to know the Charles law. What is the Charles law? At constant pressure, V is proportional to T. Simply that is called as a Charles law. What is that? At constant pressure, V is proportional to the T. That means volume of the gas is directly proportional to absolute temperature. Simply that is called as a Charles law. So this Charles law can be derived from kinetic gas equation. Okay students. So same way as we can derive Boyle's law, here also same step, but only we changes the one step. Here let us we observe how we can derive the Charles law from kinetic gas equation. Let us see. So already we have to know kinetic gas equation is PV is equals to 1 by 3 mn u square. PV is equals to 1 by 3 mn u square. This is the kinetic gas equation. So this kinetic gas equation is changes as PV is equals to 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 mn u square. Okay students, PV is equals to 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 mn u square. 1 by 3 mn u square can be changes as 2 get cancelled, remaining is the 1 by 3 mn u square. So this is changes as 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 mn u square. Same, this is the equation 1. Then kinetic energy equation, already we have to know K is equals to half mv square. In place of v, we should substitute the RMS velocity u, then K is equals to half mu square. So for n moles of kinetic energy equation, K is equals to half mu square. Let this is the equation 2. So here this equation 2 is substituted in the equation 1. So then equation 1, PV is equals to 2 by 3 half mn u square. In place of half mn u square, we can substitute the, what is that? Ke. Okay student, are you understood? Same way, PV is equals to 2 by 3 into Ke. But Ke, according to the kinetic molecular theory, average kinetic energy of gas molecules is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. So from kinetic molecular theory, Ke is proportional to the T. So when we are remove the proportionality, Ke is equals to constant K into T. Then this equation is substituted in the here. So then equation is changes as PV is equals to 2 by 3. In place of Ke, what here we can substitute K into T, where K is the constant, T is the absolute temperature. Then PV is equals to 2 by 3 into K into T. So then V is equals to 2 by 3, P is goes to the denominator, K by P into T. Then here we take constant pressure, at a constant pressure. Previous derivation of Boyle's law, we should at a constant temperature, but up to this equation, same derivation what we can do in the Boyle's law, here also same derivation, but only changes the this step. Here we are put the pressure is the constant. Okay student, pressure is the constant. So V is equals to 2 by 3 into K by P into T. Pressure is the constant, K is also constant, 2, 3 also constant. So all these values are the constant values. So V is equals to constant into temperature T. So when is equals to constant can be removed, then we get the proportionality. So V is proportional to T. So this is the our Charles law. Charles law. Charles law means value is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. So these Charles law can be derived from kinetic molecular equation, nothing but kinetic gas equation, that is the PV is equals to 1 by 3 mn u square. So from kinetic gas equation we can deduce, means derive the Boyle's law, and also we can derive the Charles law. How we can derive? This is the our simple explanation for deduction of the Boyle's law, Charles law from kinetic gas equation.